In this video, we're unboxing and installing the rear upper control arm on this 2015 Ford Escape Global C or C1 C520.
Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Rear upper control arm shown with adjusting nuts for camber adjustment.
What tools required for the rear upper control arm installation? Large impact wrench, 15mm wrench, large 15mm, deep socket, large 19mm, deep socket, large torque wrench, large dial, torque wrench. Now use a 19mm deep socket to loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use a 15mm deep socket with an impact wrench to remove the bolt securing the upper control arm to the knuckle. Remove the bolt. 15mm wrench to loosen the bolt securing the rear upper control arm to the rear subframe. Remove the bolt. Remove the lower control arm. Remove the upper control arm. Now let's install the new upper control arm. New upper control arm display. Tips. Our upper control arm is equipped with adjustable camber bolts, allowing you to adjust the rear wheel camber angle according to your needs. Simply loosen these screws to make the necessary adjustments. Install the upper control arm. Connect the upper control arm to the steering knuckle and the subframe. Install the bolt fixing the upper control arm to the knuckle. Use a 15mm deep socket with an impact wrench to tighten the bolt securing the upper control arm to the knuckle. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten the bolt securing the upper control arm to the rear subframe. Use a 15mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the bolt securing the upper control arm to the knuckle. Tightening torque, 90 Nm or 66 foot-pounds. Install the wheel, place the lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Tightening torque, 120 Nm or 89 foot-pounds.